Hey everyone, welcome to Odd Coder. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a simple Discord ModMail bot. Before starting today's tutorial, make sure to subscribe my channel, cause it's motivate me to create new bots for you.
So please whatever.
So at first open my Discord server, then head over to the source code channel, then you will get the source code. If you still have any problem with finding the source code, just copy the tutorial code given in the description box, then search it on our Discord server. After finding the source code, open the Repl.it URL. Click on Fork Repl. After forking the Repl, open your Discord user settings and make sure to turn on developer mode. Now right-click on your server icon and copy ID. Open the Repl.it project and paste the ID on Guild ID section. Now create a category for arrange your ModMail tickets. Then right-click and copy that category ID. Now paste the copied ID on the category ID section. Now create a role for ModMail support. Then copy that role ID and paste it on staff role ID section. Now if you want to enable anyone can reply ModMail ticket, then make this option true. But I'm going to make this option false, so only staff can reply messages. Now open Secret tab and go to the Discord developer portal. You will get the link in the description box. Now click on New Application, then give it a cool name. Now go to the bot section to add a bot, and make sure to enable those three options. Now copy your bot token. Then open Repl.it project Secret tab and write token with all caps on the key section, then paste the copied token on value section. Now let's run your bot. It seems like we are facing an error. Let's see how you can fix that error. For fixing that error, go to developer portal, then URL generator. After that, give those following permission. Now copy the generated URL and add this bot to your server. Now restart your bot. Let's see a quick result of our work. Now if you want to make your bot 24/7, then copy the URL you get from Repl.it. Then open your FreshBing dashboard. If you have no account on FreshBing, then you can create one by watching this video. Link in the description box as well as iCard. So after creating an account, click on Add Check, then paste your copied URL on the HTTPS box. Now give it a friendly name and scroll down, click on Add Check. Done. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.